this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your Xbox Series X that won't connect to the Xbox app. So you can see I'm using Remote Play on my phone. So what I want to do is actually go back to the home screen here, and the problem is really lame. The problem is you have Remote Play enabled. So you want to go to Settings, go down to Devices and Connections, and then go to the right, and go to Remote Features. And you want to disable Remote Play and leave this disabled. Also go to Power Options and set it to Sleep Mode instead of Shutdown. Alright, now you want to go over to the app on your phone. So you can see I'm still connected with this on here. So what I want to do is go on down. So I have this in a web browser right now. I want to go to the Xbox app. Alright, then go to the home screen. Go home. Then go to the top to the Xbox with the wireless symbol around it. And then go to Set Up a Console. Add Existing. And make sure you're on the same Wi-Fi network as your Xbox. So scrolling down, just confirm you have the same Wi-Fi as your Xbox. Go to Network and confirm that, and then go to Next. Now you're going to see this screen right here, and it's going to prompt you on the screen to enable Remote Play. So you need to go to Enable. And this is the reason why the screen wouldn't do anything, is because you need to disable Remote Features first, so you can enable it when it prompts it, and then go to Test Remote Play, and then you can go through the process to set up your app. So I don't know why they did it like this, but it's really annoying. And then my Xbox is connected, but to use Remote Play, you need to go to xbox.com/remote play to actually use it. You can no longer use it through this app anymore for some reason. So just go to a web browser and then open this up. And then your Xbox should be listed on here, and you just have to select it. So I don't know if I can disconnect or how I do this, but let's just go back, go to Exit Full Screen, Exit Full Screen, and it should bring me back to xbox.com. So let's go back here, and here's my Xbox. I'm just going to select it. Go to xbox.com/remote play, sign in, and then you can connect to your Xbox like I just did. Here's my Xbox, it works. You can connect anywhere. You get a wireless browser, or a browser, internet browser, so you can connect on your Fire Stick, Google TV. I don't know if your toaster has a screen with Wi-Fi on it and a browser. Connect now to that. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.